Currently.
Currently, okay. So I do see a couple little trees, so there's enough room there for us to go down to 700 feet. Like this is a pretty clear shot.
I think an angle like that.
From here. Yeah, that would probably be all right.
Clear left.
Clear left. Yeah, I'm going to just maintain 700 feet over here.
Keep that turn in.
Yep.
Bring that collective down, we're climbing. Keep your airspeed in, you're good. Don't pull left. There you go. Bring her down. Now apply a little bit aft.
Duchess Tower, Sirius 3908, Mike Whiskey holding short of 24 IFR.
So we do have these trees.
Sirius 3908, Mike Whiskey, Duchess Tower, hold short runway 24, waiting IFR release.
Keep your airspeed in.
Sirius 8, Mike
Okay.
Whiskey.
Tip down. Do another 360.
So this is, I would not, I would go over the stone is a better way to come in. It's a bit steep if you...
Only because you set up, that's why I was having you do a 360. It was just because you was high initially.
Okay.
Maintain this altitude.
I think right over the stone is...
See all that nose up that you're doing?
yeah. We're
Yeah,
slow
so just
down a
next
little bit.
time, set it up sooner. You're good.
Like I would come over the trees over here so I have my tail clear. Now I have a clearer path to the where I want to go. I'm good on my side. No, you're very tight on, right?
Huh?
You're very tight on
Yeah.
controls.
Yeah, because you're in a very tight area.
Yeah, no, I'm just acknowledging it, that's all. All right, we're not wobbling, so that's good. And we can bring power down.
Yep, Cessna 180, turn left Alpha 2, looking at taxi back.
Okay.
Cessna 180,
RPM's
remain
down.
this frequency, runway 24, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 33 at Alpha.
This frequency, Alpha cross 33, hold short of 24,
180. Sirius 8, Mike Whiskey, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 24, Sirius 8, Mike Whiskey.
Sirius 8, Mike Whiskey, contact your departure 132.75.
Departure 3275, Sirius 8, Mike
Coming up.
Whiskey, thank you.
All right, here too, we're just gonna do a power one step and then power straight up. We know we have a little room behind us, but not much to the left and to the right over here. So we'll go up over the trees at 20, 30 feet, and then we'll start creeping forward.
Well, we can pick it up.
Or you want to back it up a little bit?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
We come back.
So I'm now
about 10
trusting you
feet.
that you looked behind me.
Just
Okay.
did, and
All
while
right,
I was
good.
outside, I was watching.
Okay, as long as we're on the same page.
So pick
All right,
up,
eyeballs
give
outside.
give
slowly
about
going.
10-degree right nose turn,
Okay.
and then bring us back. About 10 feet, 15. Relax,
I am
breathe.
relaxed, I'm breathing.
I'll be nice and shut the heater down so you don't sweat
Oh, nice.
too much.
Look out over you. I'll get feeling a bit light. Degrees.
Bring us up about another 3 or 4 feet. Go.
And we're going to go back.
Bring us back. Bring us back. Left foot. That's good. Right there.
Okay, and then go up.
And take us up.
And take us up, max. 25. And we're over. We can start.
Start
Moving.
pitching towards where you got more
Yeah.
now. There you go.
25.
And don't go far. Circle this. Take us back in.
To the same spot.
And land us down here.
Okay. Let me go up to 300
I think it'd be
feet.
good with some rocks in the background.
Yeah, it'd be nice. You want to go by the containers, not here, right?
Oh, you want to sit down there? You can sit
Yeah,
down
that's fine.
there.
Yeah, we'll do
Sure.
there. Come back around and just level off now.
Duchess Tower, this is Scott 12180, holding short of runway 24 on Alpha 1. Ready for takeoff, close traffic.
Pedal turning a lot of that.
Clear for takeoff,
See
make
those
left
trim
traffic.
strings?
Yeah.
Skidding all that.
Runway 24, clear for takeoff, left traffic.
Get that power going down. Get that power going down.
I thought you were an race car driver.
Trying to shift.
Yeah, I do a little skidding.
Yeah.
Around the corner.
Hear how low that RPM is, or excuse me, how the winding of the rotor system?
Yeah.
It's because you're borderline auto-rotating. So raise power up, raise power up, raise more power, raise more power, raise more power.
Yeah.
Put that nose back down. You're at like 800 descent, right?
Careful with the tree over here.
Yeah. So just set it up a little sooner, that's all. And let's see, let's hold our altitude right now.
Okay.
Let's bring her forwards.
Bring it forward.
I want that tail past that tree.
Okay.
And a 90 left twist once that is all clear and in the good. Please and thank you.
Okay, should be good here.
Tail's clear.
Want to have it facing the other way.
This is good. All right, here. Same as thing as the last time.
Little
Softer
little
there.
under, little, well, it's less even.
Less even.
All right, rolling down. That was actually, it's funny that earlier too, every time you had it, it moved, yeah. foreign bodies. All right, everybody clear around me, fuses. Good.
She's doing that because your skids aren't completely set.
That's
so.
exactly right. And it's chasing it. Okay, lights are out on top, bottom. We're in the green, green, green. You're okay, I'm okay. Friction's off, everything is good.
Takeoff 180, runway 24, clear for the option. Runway 24, clear for the option, 1210.
All right. Let's pick up from here, depart, and go over to Duchess, shall we?
Sure.
Get that airspeed coming with it a little bit more? Right there, right there. That's a good attitude right there. ATL's kicking in.
Between the lines over here.
Was until we skidded it.
Right. And grab.
Get that altitude, bring your nose back up. And let Duchess know that you're cleared off station and you're inbound for pattern work.
Duchess Tower from helicopter 3, Delta Echo.
Stop saying
Helicopter 3 Delta Echo, Duchess Tower.
3 Delta Echo, we're clear on station. Inbound for you, do some pattern work at your facility.
Helicopter 3 Delta Echo, enter left downwind, runway 24.
Left downwind 24, 3 Delta Echo. So we are going to be on the downwind over here for 24 is coming back my way. They haven't changed that rule around.
What? What'd you say?
I said my downwind is this way, on 24 that's coming back this way.
Altitude
1,200?
1,002, 1,003 for this. Got the inside dirty.
Well, then you got some work to do.
I don't have time to do work.
Oh, well, I'll put that on.
I'm at work. I don't have time to do the extra work at work.
Oh.
Not like I used to. I'm starting to like hire out for students or somebody to like come watch all these helicopters or something.
Yeah, I'm going to slow down a little bit and keep it at 1,200. You get a sudden influx of new students?
I got a couple coming through, 2 or 3 that's trying to start.
Yeah, that's good news. Keep the mojo going.
My schedule's generally fully packed.
You're popular.
Popular. I'm a popular. I'm a popular to not even know this number, so how about that?
What number?
Whatever number showed on my watch.
Oh. As long as it's not the IRS.
Probably who's calling.
Sir, you haven't filed in the last...
Skyhawk 180, turn left Alpha 3, say intentions. Left Alpha 3 would like to taxi back to the active 1210. Skyhawk 180, remain this frequency, runway 24, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 33 at Alpha. Remain this frequency, cross via Alpha, cross runway 33. What? Alpha cross 33, hold short 24, 1210. Helicopter 3 Delta Echo, runway 24, clear for the option.
Runway 24, clear for the option, 3 Delta Echo.
Helicopter 3 Delta Echo, on the go, make left traffic.
Left traffic on the go.
Left traffic on the go, 3 Delta Echo. In other words, don't talk to me. You already cleared it.
Yes, sir. We can do whatever we want. Barrel rolls and loops all the way down.
Oh, well, one way of doing it.
Might get once or twice out of it, maybe, but
I watch from the ground, if you don't mind.
but they said it'd be fun.
Well, true. Be a whole lot more fun to watch them from the ground. Then I can tell about it.
Yeah, story
I
to tell,
knew
right?
Dave. That would be my front page new book. What not to do.
Uh,
I'm going to go out around the manufacturing over here, the road.
well, all right. I'll.
That's okay.
I concur.
Sorry.
I would like a steep approach.
Steep approach.
Yes, not asking too much now. Not
Okay.
asking too much. Okay. I would like a steep approach down to the numbers of 2-4.
Numbers 2, 4.
I would like set in between the numbers of 2 and 4 from left to right,
Okay.
as well as forward to backwards.
So we're squarely in the middle, in other words.
You got it.
Better start losing some altitude then.
I better figure something out then. No pressure.
No pressure.
Your right foot's not working though.
It is. Coming.
It's coming.
Because my left foot was being a little heavy today.
I wouldn't lower any more power.
No, I'm
Yeah,
right
touch
there.
up. Yeah.
Right at the cusp.
Oh look, aircraft are gone. They finally got all the stuff for the helicopters, huh?
No distractions.
That's my job.
Oh, that's right. I'm not listening to you then, in other
Yeah,
words.
there you go. You're gonna have to figure out that auto tuning out.
Oh, I'm really good. I'm a father.
Ah, you're cheating.
No,
Oh, you're
don't-
cheating.
I'm not listening to you. Told me, you gave me details. You didn't tell me I couldn't cheat. All right, this is my final approach over here.
Take us on, go.
Go.
And we'll just do left traffic, and then when we're in the downwind, we'll just tell them we're left downwind.
Okay.
All right, so on this one, we're going to do the same thing, as long as he
Okay.
clears us for the option. And next time I want the steep approach angle to stay constant all the way down
Okay.
to the numbers 2-4.
Yeah, I broke it off a little bit early because I knew I was not going to make it, so.
Well,
That's
true,
okay.
but you could have modified it as well. You could have bumped collector back up just a tad bit.
Tab to delay it?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to go around the hangar, around the
Sounds good.
courts over here.
So yes, anytime you're picking up that it's getting too shallow or too steep,
Just pick up collective a little
fix
bit.
it as long as you have the parameters to do so.
I mean, it was off by 50, not even 50 feet, but yes, I could have done that. I'm going to stay at 1,000 feet this time. Is that okay, or would you like to go to 1,200?
Whatever makes you comfortable.
Okay.
And tilt tower,
Yep.
your left down.
Duchess Tower, 3 Delta Echo on the left downwind, 2-4.
Skyhawk 180, you ready?
We're ready to go, 120.
Skyhawk 180, runway 24, clear for takeoff, make left traffic.
Takeoff 24, make left traffic, 120.
Helicopter 3 Delta Echo, 1 departure prior to your arrival, a Cessna taking the runway now, runway 24, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, we have eyeballs on the Cessna, 3 Delta Echo. He on the roll?
He's on the roll. Slow roll, but he's rolling.
Oh, plenty of time, I mean. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to go to the road over here. Come around the building so we don't disturb them. See the houses and the building.
Okay. Check out your airfield.
Okay.
Check out your landing
I
spot.
see,
Start setting it up.
Yep. He's off the ground. All right, and we'll get a nice 500-600 foot descent rate. It's on the middle of my windshield, so that's good. Pull right foot in. Make Uncle Dave happy.
Yeah.
And this is
old age. Back's hurting anymore.
Oh, that's why I twisted the other way from time to time for you.
Yeah, Dutch Tower, stock 120, just want to let you know there's a Hawk just off the departure end of 24.
Hawk.
Hawk 180, roger, thank you. Attention all aircraft, use caution for bird activity just off the departure end, runway 24.
Make a slight adjustment now.
Ooh, a police officer hiding out. Found him. Probably napping. How you feeling about this?
Well, I'm 50 feet too far now. And
Yep.
I'm going
Keep
to
it
the steep.
forwards. Keep it forwards. Keep it forwards.
So now I tried to hang on to it, and yeah, we're 50 feet past it. So now
Where were you guys focusing a lot of that?
well, I was at the end of the runway, more than the last one,
Okay.
and I try to keep the numbers in there. And let me go a little lower. Keeping the numbers in right where I needed to be, but right when I felt I was too far, it was already too late to drop more altitude.
Skyhawk 180, runway 24, clear for the option.
Clear for the option 24, 120.
A little less nose. A little less, right there. Yeah, it took that aerodynamic lift to kick in so long. It's too aggressive on the
Nose.
just a little aggressive on the nose, but otherwise good. I got the Skyhawk in the downwind.
It is Skyhawk, and I'm looking for the Hawk.
Bunch of hawks up here today.
I can. Is he staying in the pattern, by the way?
He is.
And I will go behind him. I'll cut him short, give him plenty of room. To your left.
Stretch this out just a little bit.
Little
We'll
bit?
just kind of make it a soft turn.
Soft turn.
Otherwise, we'll be hitting him in the rear.
Soft turn. Cover me inside. Instead of going 90, I'll go below 80.
70. I think he's moving 40.
He's
You go ahead, start your turn.
starting base right now. Duchess Tower, helicopter 3 Delta Echo, left downwind 24.
Helicopter 3 Delta Echo, number 2 following a Cessna ahead of you in the left downwind, turning base now, report in sight.
We have the Cessna in sight.
Helicopter 3 Delta Echo, number 2 following that Cessna, runway 24, clear for the option.
24 clear for the option, following the Cessna 3 Delta Echo. I'll stay 75.
I was over here this morning with my first student.
Yeah.
Tower was closed.
Well, it is, right? It's only partial
Yes.
tower.
So I came over, we came over and on the little airport for about an hour until they open the tower up.
Oh.
I've actually never been at the an airfield when the tower was closed / opening.
Oh.
So it's kind of like.
Did they make an announcement? Duchess Tower is now officially open.
There's like Duchess Tower. Time, whatever. Any aircraft operating in the area, state your tail number and your intentions. Always down playing on 3-3 by that point.
We're going to do the same steep, but this time we're going to go right in between the first and the second one.
And Dutchess Tower 120, doing it around.
Roger.
Going around, I see them climbing.
Okay.
Climbing for the stars.
I can start creeping in over.
Attention all aircraft, use caution for bird activity in the vicinity of the departure end, runway 24. Attention all aircraft, information Tango now current, Dutchess altimeter 29 or 9 or 6.
2996, Tango.
Where do you usually put your approach angle, like on...
Right here, in my...
for
what?
For a steep approach?
For a steep approach, yeah, it's right here, and then for a shallow approach, of course, adjust. Yeah, you wouldn't know what that is like, so.
I still think that's... I don't know. Well, so a little bit of the problem...
So right now I have it sitting right here.
Right.
And I should have, now if I don't make an adjustment, I would be long. And now I feel like I'm right on the numbers. I'd have to drop it a little bit more.
But the thing is you're setting it up without changing anything. See how your speed's locked right at 51?
Yeah.
It's not coming out any. So your attitude is, hey, there's a bird.
I'm keeping an eye on my runway and my number.
So as you come down, if you bleed that out, it changes where your steep approach angle is setting, and it's like, oh, it's getting steep, and oh, it's getting shallow. So as long as you got that set to be bringing airspeed out accordingly,
yeah,
you're doing all right. The next is your rate of closure down to it with your collective. So if you start seeing it walk up and get shallow, raise collective, slow that down. Kind of like it is doing now. You should slow it down.
I am.
Yeah, a little bit more. Keep the put your nose back forward. Right there. Hold that. More power. Right there. More forwards. Right there. Don't change that nose any. Don't pull aft. Don't pull aft.
Dial 180, runway 24, clear for the option.
Collective.
Runway 24, clear for the option, 1280.
So here I held the speed more constant. It was a nice all the way down with the minor adjustments on the bottom.
Right. Yep. Take us on, go.
Go.
And so when you was coming down, you was getting shallow and you wasn't fixing any of the shallowness to it. Yeah. And you would have did like what we did the first time, which was walk forward 15, 20 feet flat. Yeah. Right?
Well, this time I didn't want to walk forward, right? I wanted to see if I could make it there by making minor adjustments. And
I already caught that. That's what was going to happen, so I helped modify the control inputs just a little bit to show you, what control puts it needed to happen at that point in time to not allow that to happen. And Tower 3 Delta Echo, that Hawk has moved to the approach end of 24.
Helicopter 3 Delta Echo, roger, thank you. Attention all aircraft, use caution for bird activity, approach end runway 24.
Clear left?
Clear left.
Lights out, everything. Where did our trusted Cessna go?
He's about ready to start turning base.
Okay, very good.
Yeah, he's turning base leg now.
Inch down to 80. Duchess helicopter 3 Delta Echo, left downwind runway 24.
Helicopter 3 Delta Echo, number 2 following Cessna, left base, report in sight.
Left base in sight, number 2 after the Cessna.
Helicopter 3 Delta Echo, number 2 following that Cessna, runway 24, clear for the option.
After the Cessna, runway 24, clear for the option, 3 Delta Echo. How would you like to do this?
I'd like to do the same thing and see if we...
Get it perfect?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll try to maintain off controls a little bit more this time. Now that I kind of showed you a little bit of inputs that were needed.
Hey, I'm not perfect, my man.
No. That's why you're a student.
Well,
I'm not
that's a dangerous statement, my friend. I've heard more than one instructor get into deep shit over, I think I'm perfect.
I think I'm perfect.
I am a forever student.
That's the
exactly.
Right answer. I'm far from fucking perfect. The day you think that you can't learn any more in this career,
All right, Cessna over the numbers.
hang up your headset. You're done.
That's exactly right.
You're not learning. If you're not self-critiquing yourself and trying to make every little piece a little better.
Cessna on the ground.
Trying to figure out if this is the bus barn or the used bus barn. Or parking lot, whichever one you call it.
I think a little bit of both.
I got construction stuff in the back. I guess that's what it is.
Skyhawk 180, turn left Alpha 3, same intentions.
Left Alpha 3, like taxi back to the active.
Skyhawk 180, remain this frequency, runway 24, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 33 at Alpha.
Alpha cross 33, hold short to 24, 120.
As to the end of the runway, bring her all the way down to the ground. Don't stop it. All the way down, all the way down,
All right.
all the way down. Good?
That was pretty good.
Yeah, good. Pick us up.
Okay. Light throttle top, bottom, green, green,
Okay,
green,
keep
green.
us on the go.
Okay. Just,
Commercial level.
well,
Do it all on the go. Think of the guy that's going to be paying you to fly that helicopter over there. He wants you to be safe, but yeah, not burn any of this fuel either.
I'm verbalizing because I have a check ride coming up, and I don't want to.
That's what, I mean, that's what's going to happen in the check ride too, is cool. Pick us up, gauge scan, and on the go. If something goes wrong, you're still on the ground level.
As long as you say that's appropriate to be able to do that
in commercial level,
okay.
yes.
Very
absolutely.
good. I'll be happy to do that.
Absolutely.
Because my scan is like that continuously anyhow, so.
Right. Yeah,
I'm just trying to verbalize it.
Just announce it as you're, because you got enough experience now, you can operate the aircraft while scanning it, right?
Archer 4508 X-ray, Duchess Tower. Transition to the Delta's approved, Dutch altimeter 29 or 9 or 5, maintain at or above 1,700.
At or above 1,700, through X-ray.
Clear left.
Clear lip.
Clear left. Duchess down, helicopter 3 Delta Echo, left downwind 24.
Helicopter 3 Delta Echo, runway 24, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 3 Delta Echo. What would you like to do?
I would like to straight in on a rotation.
Straight in on a rotation. Would you like me to climb to 1,500?
Yeah, if you'd like to.
Sure.
I'm not stressed about it if you don't make it there.
Attention all aircraft, use caution for bird activity, vicinity of the approach end, runway 24.
And I would like to auto to the numbers of 24.
Aha. to a standstill at 24 at 24?
I would like a specific spot, sir.
On hover on 24. Come to a flare on 24.
Yes, sir.
Dude. Alright, challenge accepted. I am going to go a little longer here, just to set myself up.
Okay.
That's Tower, this is Scott 12180, holding short of runway 24 on Alpha 1, ready for takeoff, close traffic.
Alright, I'm going to come around, yeah.
Good job. Feels good. 3 in the green, rotor green, caution 1 lights all out.
Everything
Check.
is good, yeah. Aircraft is stable.
Roger that.
Alright, nobody coming in.
Delta 121 here, Duchess Tower, sorry about that. Hold short, runway 24, landing traffic.
Hold short of runway 24, 12180.
And 3, 2, 1, all the way down. Roll off. Horizon. Hang a little bit up. We're on the green RPM. A little long for 24, that's okay.
Trim us.